Well, developing here tonight, there is a new campaign to try to force the governor and the legislature to take action to deal with the dramatic rise in the cost of car insurance here in New York. Take a look at this. This is from Bankrate, and it shows New York has the highest average cost in the country when it comes to car insurance coverage, $144 per month. 27 states are under $50 per month. Think of that. The group called Citizens for Affordable Rates, or CAR, is now spending millions of dollars to run ads across the state of New York. Those ads are called Twice as Much, pointing out that we pay in New York about twice as much as the rest of the country when it comes to those car insurance premiums. And I talked to them about that earlier today. Watch part of the ad.
Car insurance costs twice as much in New York as in most other states. Insane, right? And with working families already struggling just to keep their heads above water, paying double for car insurance is a burden we just can't afford.
Well, today I talked about the campaign with James Freedland, spokesperson for the group called Citizens for Affordable Rates.
James, what is the goal of this multi-million-dollar ad buy?
Well, our goal is pretty simple. I mean, we are focused on making sure that Governor Hochul and lawmakers in Albany put insurance affordability on the legislative agenda in the coming session. And our message is also pretty simple and clear, too. If Governor Hochul and the state leaders in Albany are serious about tackling the cost of living, they can start by focusing on lowering the cost of driving. And Albany can and must fix this.
What does that legislative fix in Albany look like?
We're supportive of any action that will lead to lower car insurance costs for New Yorkers. And that could mean cracking down on fraud and abuse, tougher penalties for the ringleaders of these staged car crash rings, reforms to the no-fault insurance system. And it could also mean encouraging competition to make it easier for new insurers to enter into the market. And lower costs that way. And also modernizing outdated rules that are keeping insurance premiums artificially high. So there are smart, targeted changes that can put real money in people's pockets. And we're optimistic that this will be on the agenda when the legislature goes back into session come January.
We'll see what happens there. The group says the ad will run on broadcast and cable television in markets across New York, including here in Buffalo, as well as on streaming and digital platforms.